breakfast ng mga bata, bread with egg and mayonnaise. Yun. You need to listen properly to your teachers, okay? You need to read and understand the questions also if you are answering something, okay? Did you hear me? You hear me? You hear me or no? You need to be very good to your school, okay? Don't be naughty in your school, okay? Okay? I love your music. It makes me dance. When you're playing that kind of music.
I'm not playing that kind of music. Just add. Just add.
Kailangan na ng hair treatment. Oh, sobrang dry na ng hair ko. Ayan. Matagal na akong hindi nag-hair dye kasi gusto ko magiging natural ulit yung aking buhok. Kaya ayan, ang haba na ng kaniyang black. At least, I'm not using filter, unlike you. Hindi ka na confident kung wala kang filter. What's the time?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. What time we're going to school?
6:20.
What, 6:20?
6:15.
6:15, yeah. Every morning before going to school, tumatawag yung Indiano kong asawa and ayan, kuusap muna sila ni Mark and after that, magchichikahan muna kami. And today, may chika ako sa kanya, chinichika ko sa kanya na may nagsabi sa akin na pangit daw ako. At ang sabi niya, mas pangit daw yung mga nagsasabi na pangit ako. And after that, sinasabi na niya sa akin yung about sa binibuild niyang bahay doon sa India, about sa water filter daw na gustong ipakabit doon sa bahay na binibuild niya para daw hindi magiging salt water yung tubig. Kasi daw yung water sa India is masalt. So, kailangan ng something filter para mawala yung salty water niya. Here we are waiting for jeepney going to Mark's school and madilim-dilim pa guys kahit 6:20 na ng umaga. Mark, I'm here. Magtatap siya ng ID para ma-log in. Bye. After dropping Mark to his classroom, I go straight to the church upang magsimba. And after simba, uuwi na ako ng aming bahay. Walking for 10 minutes, not bad. Exercise every morning and malapit na ako sa aming bahay. Coffee tayo. Ayan. Nagluluto ako ng lunch. Maaga talaga akong nagluluto ng lunch, guys, kasi yung dalawang bata dito sa bahay is 11:30 yung alis nila dito sa bahay para pumunta sa school. Meron tayong bread dito for breakfast. Bread and margarine. Magpataba tayo. And hot chocolate. The time is 9:30. And this is my breakfast. After sending Mark to school. And then, nag-walk ako papunta dito sa aming bahay from labasan. Mga 10 minutes walk. At least. Exercise every morning. After ng walking, kain. Na akong magluto. Pork with sabaw.